Hi, students. Have you ever missed some important dates or an assignment or something very crucial? Well, there is one top-notch method known as getting things done, GTD, that can help you out. Getting things done time management techniques was created by David Allen in 2001. GTD focuses on taking all the ideas coming from your brain to an external system so you can process them with actionable steps. GTD follows a 5-step approach. First step is capture your ideas. Write everything that comes to your mind. It will help you pour out your brain on a piece of paper. Once you have captured all the ideas, it's time to clarify them. You can take the time at the end of the day to clarify the input ideas. If you are using this technique for the first time, organize your tasks into 3 lists: areas, miscellaneous, and projects. In the areas list, add tasks that matter, like hobbies, health, fitness, etc. In the project list, add those tasks that have a deadline to act upon. For example, your assignment date, practical date, etc. You can put all other tasks in the miscellaneous list. These are the tasks that require single action or can be performed someday. After every week, review your list and see what tasks you were able to accomplish and which are still pending. When you have prepared the list, you have a proper priority set for the tasks. Take out the high priority task and devote your uninterrupted focus towards it. What are benefits of GTD method? Less stress. When you use GTD, then you have a designated set of frameworks to accomplish the tasks. It lowers your stress of doing all the things at a time. Clarity. GTD offers more clarity about the type and the priority of the tasks. You precisely know which task needs to be completed before others. Flexibility. You have the entire flexibility in your hand to choose the amount of attention required for a particular task. If you want to achieve something in your life and use every bit of your time with proper focus, then no other technique can assist you better than GTD. You will start feeling satisfied as soon as you start using it in your routine. Comment your views on the GTD method and subscribe the channel for more such informative videos.